as you can see, I have imported the project from the archive file, and I have to run some test on these classes car.java, train.java, and vehicleset.java using JUnit 5. So first of all, we have to go to the classes individually and take a note what we have to do. So there is vehicle.java and vehicle collection.java, and in these two files you don't have to do anything because the first one, this vehicle.java, is abstract class and second one is interface. So there could be a question, what's the difference between abstract class and the interface is simply like a menu which will give you the recipe, but it won't tell you how to cook it. But in layman term, I am defining these things, and in vehicle.java it is abstract class. It is giving you the menu and in some sort of steps to cook those things. Like we have abstract function without body and some functions with body. So we have simply extended to the vehicle class, and as you can see, there is a private int tank size, private int range. And the first one, what we have to do is calculate and return the max range using tank size multiplied by the range. If tank size is 0, return range only. So in this case, we have to use if condition. If tank size equals 0, return range. Will calculate return max range using tank size multiplied by range. Size multiplied by, and we have wrote the logic, and let's check if our logic is correct. As you can see, the first one, if you pay the attention, you can see here is green tick. So the logic that we have wrote is correct. Let's go to car.java and do the rest of job. Get tank. This is getter method. This one is used to return the private variable. Get tank size, return tank size. Set the tank size. So here this dot tank size equals tank size. So this may look like the same thing, but this is not. We have used this over here just to difference between the instance variable and the parameter of the function. So if we will remove this one, it will produce a compile time error. So in order to tell the compiler that this dot tank size is instance variable that is declared over here outside the method, and the tank size is parameter of this function. So that's the difference between these two. Let's get range. Getter method will return the range, and same thing we have to do now. Public boolean is electric. Return true if the car is electric. So if return tank size, basically we have to imagine or attention on the condition. If the tank size is 0, return range only, which means this is the differentiating factor between the uh, car with fuel tank and the electric car. So if the tank size will be 0, it must be an electric car. Must be an electric car. So as you can see, I have wrote the logic in the condition where the tank size equals to 0, it will return true, and it will be classified as electric car. Public car, string model, string registration number to pass the correct number of wheels, model name, and registration number to supertype constructor. And let's see what's inside the documentation. By default, a car has range of 100. Okay, four wheels. As you can see, model, registration number. So set the range and tank size attribute to the default values specified in Java doc comment of the method. So by default the car has range of 100 and the tank size of 0. So it is electric car, range of 100. This dot range equals 100, and this dot tank size equals 0. Now let's save this. And as we can see, we have no error in our code. And here is a catch, we can modify this one. As I have mentioned the concept earlier while writing the setter method, I can just call the set range and pass the value inside the setter method. It and size. Let's pass the value 0 inside it. Save this code and let's see if this thing is correct or not. And as you can see, it is correct and we have passed all the tests that was written in car tester Java.